Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a Rocket Nozzle 3D CAD in Onshape in an easy way. First, you need to open the code that I've uploaded on my GitHub repository. The code generates a sheet that you can download after setting up your rocket engine's propulsive parameters and running it. To access this document, you may use Excel, but I prefer to use Google Sheets. To get a bell or conical nozzle, you need to concatenate the curves 1 to 3 X and Y coordinates values into a single column. If your values have a comma, change the location at Configurations. Then, download the archive as a CSV. Next, you need to transform the coordinates into lines. For this, I'll be using a feature within a document made for designing airfoils. You can find the link to this document and the original video explaining how it works in the description below. Once you've created a copy of the document, import the nozzle contour coordinates CSV file. Click on the file location at Onshape and copy this segment of its link. Then paste it here and click Commit. If you click twice at the airfoil name, you can change the sketch's plane. Now, I will create a new sketch and project the nozzle contour lines onto it. I will adjust the nozzle's external structure manually. Then, I will create a line as an axis and use the revolve feature. As a result, you have a bell nozzle. If you want to design a spike nozzle, you'll need to create two CSV files, one for the spike itself and the other for the external structure considering the throat gap. Then, import both CSV files to Onshape. You can follow similar steps as for the bell nozzle, but it's recommended to paste Onshape's link segment at these lines. By following the steps again, you now have your spike nozzle. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.